Has this ever been you? Someone sends you some data, it's in a PDF format, so you have to spend your time copying it over to Excel. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a much better, quicker, and more efficient way to convert a PDF to an Excel document. So let's get started. Okay, so in order to convert this PDF document into Excel, we're going to use a website that's going to do it for us. But before I jump into that, I just wanted to make a note that if you're in this example, so say I've only got a very small amount of data, if you're in a little bit of a pinch or you need to get it done super quickly, you can simply highlight your data. So click and hold, highlight the data, and then copy it. So Command C, and then I can go and paste that over into Excel. Now, the formatting's not perfect, and really, if you've got a really big table of data, it's going to be quite difficult to do. But I just wanted to note, if you've got a small amount of data and you need to do something really quickly, then that copy and paste option is there. However, if you've got a big sheet of data or you want to carry over the formatting, then let's go ahead and convert our PDF to an Excel in a much more efficient way. So what you're going to want to do is head to this website. So this website is smallpdf.com. So once you're on the website, simply scroll down and you can see this section here has the most popular PDF tools. So this website is brilliant for converting pretty much your PDF document into a wide variety of formats. So go ahead and click on See All PDF Tools and then scroll down until you see PDF to Excel. So click on PDF to Excel. So from here you can click on Choose Files. So I'm going to go ahead and select this Pokemon PDF. You can also drag and drop your file into that section. So from here it will start to upload. Now this upload process, dependent on the size of the PDF and how much data you have, could take a little bit of time or it could take a little bit longer. Once it's uploaded, you'll get to this screen here. So from here, select PDF to Editable Excel. Once you've selected that, click Choose Option, and then your conversion will start. Now again, depending on how large your PDF file is, this could be a quick process or it might take a little bit longer, but generally it's not an overly long process to get it converted. Obviously I only had a small table, so my Excel document is already ready. So if I hit download, what I can then do is open up my Excel document and you can see that table of data that I had on my PDF has now been converted to Excel. And as you can see, compared to copying and pasting, it's kept the formatting. So the length and size of the rows or the columns, and also the colors in the cells as well. So there you have it, a really quick, easy and efficient way to convert that PDF data into Excel. So I hope you found this useful. If you have, please consider giving the video a like, comment below, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.